I'm back! Welcome back, everybody. This is the 74 Challenger Restoration. Well, as many of you have pointed out in the comment section on my videos, yeah, it's been about 3 years now, I believe, since I last worked on the Challenger. So I thank everybody for watching the video series so far. It's been pretty overwhelming, the number of views that these videos have been getting. So a big thank you to everybody who's been watching and commenting and just leaving some encouraging remarks. So I have been busy. I'm sure you've seen some of the other videos I put up, and I have been busy working on the garage edition, so this is it in here. It's not quite finished yet, but I've got a roof over my head now, and I have a bit of room, so I can slide my ATVs into there. So I can put the Challenger back in the main part of the garage here. Now, the last episode we left off, I had just pulled the engine out. Previous episode, I was repairing these rear frame rails. And everything's just where it was 3 years ago. Had a lot of time to think over those 3 years. Just kind of think what I did right, what I did wrong, things I might have done differently. In hindsight, what I should have done is just strip this right to the stripped everything off of it, put it on a rotisserie, and then just take it out to the sandblasters, blast it, find out where all the rust holes were, and then just start pulling panels off from there, instead of just doing this kind of picking away at it that I'm doing now. But anyway, live and learn. It's the first car I've ever tried to tackle. I was able to source a 440 block from my father-in-law, same person who gave us the car in the first place. So this is all I have of it right here. It really is just a block. I got the crank and the pistons, but it's probably not worth saving. Not entirely sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm thinking like a 512 stroker kit or something like that, but that's a few years off. Anyway, I have a 4-speed tranny coming with it as well. So anyway, this first video is more just a teaser video. I just kind of want to put something up there just to show you guys that the car is back in the shop. I haven't forgot about it. I am going to get working on it. We're going to get this thing restored. We're going to get her back on the road. We're going to save it. Yeah, we're not going to scrap this old one. So if you probably noticed in some of my other videos I've posted lately, I have a new DSLR camera. So the video quality of this series is going to look a lot better. When the sparks are flying, I'm still going to use the GoPro. I don't want to get this thing full of sparks and ruin my expensive DSLR camera. I just want to take a quick second and talk about my Patreon account that I've set up. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about Patreon before, but it's a way for viewers like you to help out content creators like me. So if you guys would like to get behind this project and support me financially, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Head on over to my Patreon account and sign up. It's a $2 a month pledge, so it's not a lot of money, but any money that I receive from Patreon is going to go right back into the restoration of sold cars. So if you are going to jump on there, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Alright, that's it for now, folks. That's the end of this episode. Like I said, this is just a quick teaser. Just want to let you guys know I am back in business and we are working on the car again. So stay tuned. Next episode, we're going to be tearing old metal off and putting new metal in. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Share this with your friends and support me with Patreon. I appreciate that so much. Take care, everybody.